Kevin Can Two Become One was this man's project right over here. Genius marketer Chaim Geller, CEO of Cardright and
Off-brand.
Off-brand.
Partner Off-brand.
And what's the husband companies?
De andere kan je zo eens geven.
1 minute, could we combine Off-brand with the Psnacha company? Maybe with Pivot? Off-brand merges with media. I don't know. Maybe you could become one. Guy got a marketing company also. So the best thing is somebody to have a marketing company and his own company. So he markets his own company with the best marketing, and that's how you become, with this crazy campaign, Can Two Become One. So lass mal dive ein bisschen tiefer, was ist die ganze Two Become One credit card situation?
So in unserem got a website, das heißt Help Me Little Credit, mit gemerged mit der App, das heißt eine Cardright App. So hand hast du a website, das heißt Cardright.com, da hast du Cardright App. Der Website Cardright.com ist gemacht, wenn du siehst von einer Credit Card, dich zu helfen, choose eine richtige Card. Mal du kannst du searchen best offers, 7% APR, starter cards, grocery cards, 2% cashback cards, dining cards, etc. Whatever you're looking for, you can find it easily on the website. En nachdem hat man die Cardright App, also die Cardright App hilft dich halt einen Track von existing cards. Wenn Payments sind du, welche Cards nutzen wie, welche nutzen die Grocery, welche nutzen für Gas. Welche Statement Credits hast du auf Cards? Cards haben nur schon $15 für Uber jede Heute. So Cardright App is going to remind you to use it, keep track if you used it already. Welche Benefits hast du, welche Card, etc. So that's all in the Cardright App. So we have now the Cardright website, Cardright.com, that helps you find new cards, and you have the Cardright app that helps you keep track of existing cards.
So those two became one, and now you have everything in one.
It's in one place, yes.
So one place, one app, one website.
Exactly.
Okay, let me get straight now. Interesting question which people ask me, Chaim. Ingalatlich love being busy with credit cards, have a lot of extra time on their hands, and they have no issue being busy which credit cards used for what, which hotel, which restaurant, which gas station, which store. Business people who are busy with their business, they don't have time. Is it for them too?
So, believe it or not, so do business people that understand the value. So, if I'm calling a man, wie viel Geld verdienen für credit cards, is X amount, whatever, it's $1,000 heute, etc. For a business was wiped hunderte or millions of dollars heute, that's the amount they earn is much more. It's $20,000 a month, $30,000 a month, etc.
So you're saying it's worth to dedicate a couple of minutes to download the app, get used to the app, know the app, because you could earn thousands a month just from using the right credit cards.
To be very honest, sag me businessmen who's follow me be personal.
Really?
Because for them it's much more for them to gain from
okay,
the right
so let's
cards.
go to the tachlis. What is the website to go onto, and what is the app to download?
Website Cardright.com.
Cardright.com, very easy, very user-friendly. Cardright.com, and what is the app to download on the Apple and
Cardright app.
Cardright app on Apple and Android.
Apple and Android, yes.
Gevre, use it, and let me know wie es gewesen. Shkoye Chaim.